In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bots play each other chess.com. If you've ever wanted to watch two chess.com bots compete against one another, you may have discovered that there isn't a built-in feature that allows bots to automatically play each other directly on the platform. However, there is a simple manual method that can be used to achieve a similar result. While it requires a bit of patience, it allows you to simulate a bot versus bot game by acting as the bridge between two separate matches. To get started, you'll need to open two separate chess.com game sessions. You can do this by opening two browser tabs on your computer, or if you're using a mobile device, by opening two separate app instances if your device supports it. The goal is to have two independent bot games running at the same time. Once your two game sessions are ready, go to the first tab and navigate to the Play section. From there, select the option to play against a bot. Browse through the available bot opponents and choose the one you'd like to use in the first game. Next, move to the second tab and repeat the same process. Open the Play section again, select the option to play against a bot, and this time choose a different bot for the second game. Having two different bots can make the matchup more interesting, although the specific bots you choose are entirely up to you. With both games running, you're ready to begin. When the bot in the first tab makes a move, carefully observe the move and then switch to the second tab. Enter that exact move on behalf of the player in the second game. After the second bot responds with its own move, return to the first tab and enter that response move into the first game. From there, continue repeating the process. Each move made by one bot is manually copied into the other game, allowing the two bots to effectively play against each other through your input. Keep in mind that this method is not automated. You'll need to transfer every move back and forth throughout the entire game. Because of this, the process can take some time, especially during longer matches. Essentially, you're serving as the middleman between both bots and relaying their moves from one board to the other. At the moment, chess.com does not provide a direct feature that lets bots compete automatically against each other. This manual workaround is the available way to recreate that experience on the platform. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.